Why do you feel exhausted before your day even begins? You woke up, slept for 8 hours, but your brain feels like fog. It's not lack of sleep, and it's not just stress. Right now, a silent chemical glitch inside your brain is draining your energy, killing your focus, and locking you into a cycle of chronic fatigue. And the worst part? You probably triggered it within the first 5 minutes of waking up. Today, we are uncovering the hidden dopamine mistake you make every morning and how to fix it to reclaim your biological energy. Let's look at a typical morning. Your alarm goes off. Before your feet even touch the floor, you reach for your phone. You check notifications, scroll through news, or watch a couple of short videos. To you, it feels like an innocent way to wake up. To your brain, it's a full-scale neurological disaster. When you open your phone in bed, you flood your brain with cheap, effortless dopamine. Dopamine is not the molecule of pleasure, it's the molecule of anticipation and motivation. By getting a massive spike of dopamine while lying still, you set your baseline for the entire day. Your brain realizes it can get a reward for doing absolutely nothing. Suddenly, real-world tasks like studying, working, or even making breakfast feel incredibly boring and painful. Your brain always seeks balance. This process is called homeostasis. When you artificially spike your dopamine first thing in the morning, your brain compensates by dropping your dopamine levels below your normal baseline later. This is what neuroscientists call the dopamine crash. By 11 a.m., you feel anxious, unmotivated, and physically tired. You blame your lack of willpower, but the reality is simpler. You spent your day's motivation budget in the first 10 minutes of the morning. To fix this crash, you seek another spike: more coffee, sugary food, or more screen time. You are no longer living, you are just surviving from one chemical spike to another. So, how do we break the loop? You don't need a complicated 2-hour morning routine. You just need to protect your brain during the golden window, the first 60 minutes of the day. Step 1. The 60-minute screen ban. Keep your phone in another room overnight. Do not touch it until you have brushed your teeth, dressed, and started your day. Delaying that first dopamine spike keeps your baseline stable. Step 2. Get natural light within 30 minutes of waking up. Sunlight triggers a healthy cortisol release, which naturally boosts your energy, sharpens your focus, and sets your internal biological clock. Step 3. Earn your dopamine. Do a difficult or boring task first, like making your bed, a quick workout, or reading 5 pages of a book. When you work for your reward, your brain increases your baseline dopamine, giving you sustained energy for hours. Your energy isn't broken. Your brain is just adapted to the traps of the modern world. Change your first hour, and you will change your entire day. If you want to optimize your life and protect your health, subscribe to Live Better Today. See you in the next video.